Now a boat starts from rest and has a uniform acceleration of 2 ms minus 2. Rest means u and the acceleration is a. Calculate the time and the distance s in a attain a uniform velocity, attain a velocity of v. So you have all 5 variables. So they ask like you to find out the time taken and the distance. Your details are u given, v given, a given, ask time. So you have to use u equals to u plus at. Again, asking displacement, any equation you can use. So simply let me apply like v is equals to u plus at. Here v is like 20, u is 0 plus half. Actually, acceleration is 2 times t. T is going to be 10 seconds. That's done. And the next one is like the s equals to ut plus half at square. So s is something I don't know. U is like 0 plus half times 2 times the time is like 10 to the power 2. So it is going to be 100 meters. But I repeatedly told you not to use the values you gain if you have no other option. Give me 1 second. Okay. Now here I told you not to use. So you can still use these things. What? V square equals to u square plus 2as. So s is equals to v square over 2a because u is 0. V is like 20 by 20 over 2 times acceleration is again, what is the acceleration? It was 2 by, sorry, 2, only 2. So 10, 2 and 2 cancel off, 10 again becomes 10. 10 times 10 is again acceleration displacement is 100 meter. Because I told you not to use, because if your previous answer is the wrong one, you may have a chance to get this answer also wrong. But here you have all the options to use correctly. Now the next one is a car with the velocity of 12 ms minus 1 takes 6 seconds to come to rest when the brakes are applied. When the brakes are applied, car with velocity of 12 ms minus 1. That is u. T equals to 6 seconds. Right. It is acceleration. So acceleration equals to v is like 0. This is final velocity minus initial velocity 12 over like acceleration time 6 seconds. This is minus 2 ms minus 2. And the last part here, it is like it is deceleration. That is the deceleration. Minus a is but 2 ms minus 2. The deceleration. The distance covers it coming to rest. S equals to ut plus half at square. So the thing is like u is 12 times the time takes is like 6 minus half times the acceleration of 2 times t is like 6 to the power 2, 6. 12 times 6 is 72. 6 times 6 is 36. Answer is again 36 meters. Did you get all these answers correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
great. So we have very successfully covered a very big lesson. Now I am going to check your intellectual quotient, that means understanding capacity. So I will just rapidly explain you. When you see someone crossing over a road or any obstacle like a fallen tree or kind of like an animal or whatever, pit or something, you instantly apply brake. You can brake. But it will take some processing time because in the biological system, it takes a time. Even in electronic system, it has a delayed time, but negligible. But in biological system, it may take some time to the light rays to reach to eye. It is negligible, but the signal processing take place inside the eye to the brain. It may take at least like few milliseconds, and the process to think in the inside the brain what to do. So it will take another few milliseconds, and it will transfer through your nerves to your kind of what motor nerves to the muscles to stop it. It may take at least like few seconds. Somebody may have a very fraction of a second, like a very good sport persons and like martial artists and stuff. But the motor car riders and sporty persons, but the regular people at least like 0.5 seconds to 1 second to 1.5 seconds to very old people like 2 seconds. But somehow it is the way. So that is called this reaction time mentioned here. See, reaction time here. That is the reaction time. If the reaction time is very big, it is not good because we know S equals to Vt. Velocity is a constant thing if you are just moving at 60 ms minus 1. But you see someone and apply brake, if it is take like what 60 meters per second is a very big value, like get like 20 meters per second. So if it is take only 0.5 seconds, you can stop you can extend the stopping action. That is like traveling some 20 times 0.5 means 10 meters. The vehicle has already gone 10 meters, but still applying brake. If your time is 1 minute, 1 second, you will travel another further 20 meters and apply brake. It is very dangerous. So reflex time should be very minimum. And the reaction distance means you see this and apply. Now you begin to apply. So the braking distance means after the signal released to the brake pedal. So now this is the reaction braking distance. Braking distance will be like S equals to ut plus half at square. So now from that time onward, you apply the brake and get it done. Understand? Guys, hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now read this and try to understand something from here yourself and read these examples, and you may not need to remember this chart. It is only given for an example, and try these questions. 1 minute.